Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Codisa. I'm your host Utpal, and today we'll be looking at lead code 50, that is power of x to the power n. Okay, so let us first go through the problem statement. It says implement power POW or pow of x and n, which calculates x raised to the power n, that is x to the power n. Okay, so it has given us certain test cases. Let's look at that. So 2 to the power 10 is 1024, 2.1 to the power 3 is 9.261, and so on. Fine. So in Python, we can do it in two ways. One is we can use the math.pow, that is the uh, power function that is given to us. Otherwise, we can do it in another way, that is using double star or double asterisk operation. So let's do it in a single line. So return x to the power n. So double asterisk means it's a power operation. So it raises x to the power n. So let us run this code. Great, it is working as expected. Let us submit this code and I hope it gets accepted. Great, it got accepted and I hope it is clear to everyone. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe. It will motivate me more and we will meet again next time. Thank you.